So today I just want to show how to use the Symmetry Tool on Procreate. This is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch and I always draw using an app called Procreate, which you can actually download on the iPad. So this is the app here, which I'm just going to open up. And I've already got an A4 size canvas up. And if you want to see more videos around drawing digitally on the iPad, you can check out my channel for more of those. So to turn the symmetry on, you want to go to the little wrench bar tool, and then you've got all these little icons here. So you want to be on the second one, which is canvas, and you want to come down to drawing guide and turn that on, and then go to edit drawing guide. You've got 2D grid, isometric, perspective, and then symmetry, which is what I'm just going to show you today. Just here you can change the opacity of the line in the middle, and here you can change the thickness of it as well. And then you can come to options here. This is where you can choose which way the line's going to go. So I'm going to choose horizontal for this video, and then assisted drawing, you need to make sure that that is toggled on. Up here as well, you do have the option to change the colour of the line to whichever colour you want, and then you just press done. Also, if you come to the layer and click on the layer, you can actually click on drawing assist on here. It'll have a little tick next to it, and you can also tick that off there as well if you want to take it away. But to actually edit the whole thing or take away the line, you need to come back up to the wrench tool and turn off drawing guide. But if you want to turn it back on, you can come back to the layer and click it, but this way it just doesn't show the line, but it will still mirror what you draw on one side. So let's just turn it back on for now. So we've got the line there. For this video, I'm going to choose the dry ink brush. This is actually under inking, which actually comes with Procreate. It's one of their default brushes, so you can find that there. This is one of my favourite brushes to use because it's like just got a really nice texture to it. And I have got a video on like my top 10 Procreate brushes on Procreate. Just repeat myself there. So if you want to watch that video after this, you can do. I'll link it below. I actually share what I use the brushes for as well. This isn't going to be my best drawing, but I'm going to draw a really simple butterfly. I'm just going to do the pattern on the butterfly on a new layer just in case I want to change it. But when you make a new layer, you will have to come down to drawing assist and turn that on. Otherwise it won't be turned on automatically. So I'm just going to do a really simple pattern. Okay, so I've just made up this pattern inside the butterfly and I'm pretty happy with that. So the next step is optional, but I just thought I'd add this in because I thought it was pretty cool when I found out. If you make a new layer, I'm just going to drag that underneath everything, and then I'm going to make the, well, first of all I'm actually just going to pinch these two layers together so that they're on the same layer because I'm happy with everything. And then I'm going to make that layer, well, I'm going to turn the reference option on here. And so now when I go back to the layer underneath and I drag colour, it's going to kind of recognise the lines on this top layer. And when I drag colour underneath, it will hopefully fill in the areas and it will just save me time having to manually colour everything. So I'm going to just choose this blue colour. I'm just going to drag that in there. But as you can see, because I didn't fill in the lines properly on that one, I'm just going to go back, so I'm just going to hold down the colour up in the corner here, and it will automatically change to the previous colour I was using. And I'm just going to quickly fill in that gap a little bit, and I'm going to just drag that again, and this time it's filled in the section nicely for me. And I'm just going to do it on that one there. Oh, and also I probably want to put drawing assist on, and then that will automatically fill the other side for me, which will make things a lot quicker. Just another quick tip, you can actually, when you drag it and let go, you can actually click on continue filling, and then you can actually just click, and that would save you so much time. Okay, and I'm pretty much just going to leave it at that, so I can come back to the wrench tool, turn off drawing guide, and I have a really nice butterfly which is perfect on both sides. So I hope that you've learned a couple of things from this video. Yeah, definitely check out my channel if you want more Procreate tips and how to draw on the app and everything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!